video is intended to serve you as a visual companion to our most recent podcast release entitled Closet Chaos Control. What you're seeing are my main closet areas and secondary seasonal wardrobe. My attempt will be to combine all things in one space cohesively to create one multi-season wardrobe. And here's what that looks like once I have sorted and worked all those wonderful pieces in by color and item type. Now, what I'm going to do, just to give myself that visual reminder, I'm going to look at my Pinterest board and look at some of the styles that I have been wanting to create with my wardrobe. That way, when I'm pulling things that no longer serve my style purpose, I've got more of a baseline sense of where my taste in fashion is. This is where working in the opposite direction really benefits and keeps you from feeling like this task is really big and becoming overwhelming. I'm going to remove anything that I don't absolutely love. This right here may be the most time consuming of the tasks, where you physically have to try things on for sorting, keeping, selling, donating, and tossing. If it's no longer serving your style, damaged, or ill fitting, then this is where we start to sort and assess. Need a little help getting started? I'm here and available for virtual and in-person sessions. Reach out via email to kbrisbanehome@gmail.com. And don't forget our other resources on Instagram, Facebook, and Spotify. This is Katrina Brisbane of K Brisbane Home, here to help you love where you live.